Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to share your Instagram post with up to 10,000 users automatically. This method uses an automation tool that allows you to send mass DMs to targeted Instagram users with your post. First, log into the software and add your Instagram accounts. You can manage hundreds or thousands of accounts here. Make sure each account has its own proxy attached. This keeps each account unique and prevents bans. Now, go to Viral Marketing feature and go to Share the Post. Set a short delay interval between messages, like 10 to 15 seconds, to keep the process safe and natural. All you need is the link to your Instagram post that you want to share. Copy the link and go back to the software. Next, prepare the list of usernames you want to send your post to. If you don't know how to scan data to collect a large number of usernames, you can check out the full video tutorial linked below. Choose the number of threads. How many accounts will send messages at once? Recommended 20 to 25 messages per account daily. Now select the accounts you want to use and hit start. The software begins sending your post to thousands of users. Each account logs in separately using a secure browser and starts sending DMs based on the script you created. In just minutes, your Instagram post will be shared with thousands of targeted users completely hands-free. This is one of the fastest ways to gain real traffic, engagement, and grow your brand or business using Instagram DM automation. If you want to try this tool or need more info, message me via Telegram or WhatsApp. Links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any powerful automation tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with more marketing tips and growth hacks for Instagram.